Hey creative, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. Today I'm going to walk you through how I unboxed and set up my new Crio white toner printer. Of course, everything I use will be listed in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure that bell notification's on so you don't miss any of my upcoming craft tutorials.
So this is the Crio 8432 WDT white toner printer from Heat Transfer Warehouse. And in this box you have your toner cartridges, an Android tablet, and the printer of course. Now I'm not really going to walk you through step by step on how to unbox and set this up because on the tablet that's included they have a setup video, and on the box you can scan a QR code with your phone and be taken directly to the setup video as well. And honestly, that's all I did. I literally just followed along with the video. Now, I definitely recommend having a second hand to lift this out the box, but my husband was taking way too long to come home from the store, so I turned into the Hulk and did it myself. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you'll receive an Android tablet, charger, and a couple of pamphlets about the tablet and how to get your printer set up. Listen, Crio really makes sure you understand how to set up your printer, and I really appreciate that because the last thing you want after investing into a new piece of equipment is not know how to turn it on. So I posted this printer on Instagram when I got it, and I had a couple questions. So I'm going to go ahead and answer them here. And if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead, drop a girl a follow, J Stewart's Laboratory. Okay. So first question is this DTF? No. Although they do have similarities like being printed on a clear film, printing with white which makes it able to be pressed on dark items. You can print the transfers and save them for later. So if you wanted to, you could sell custom transfers. And you're able to use this on cotton, polyester, blended fabrics, lights, darks, and so many other things. I will say it is very quiet and fast. It's about as loud as a copy machine. Is it easier than DTF? I have no idea. Because I've never done DTF, so honestly I can't answer that question. With the toner that's included, you get over 1,000 prints, but the size of the print plays a part in that as well, right? So the bigger the prints, maybe the less amount. Well, the bigger the design, the less amount of prints you'll be able to get. Okay, but I mean, even just being able to get close to 1,000 is really good. There is a software that you need to install on your computer to use the printer, but they walk you through that process on the setup video as well. And there's quite a few pieces of plastic to remove, so be sure you're following closely along on that Crio printer setup video. Now, this printer can print about 11 inches wide and 52 inches long, and there's a couple of different papers available, so you can print on more items than just a t-shirt, okay? And I'll definitely have some tutorials coming up for you guys talking about that more in depth. Can you press directly on the garment after printing? No. You need to marry the print first, which is basically adding an adhesive backing that the design sticks to the garment. In my previous video about the Crio white toner printer, I had a few people comment about having problems with the marrying part, so I'll definitely be having a full video on that for you guys as well. How does it feel? I've had some that feel like plastic. When you first press it, it does have like that plasticky feel, but when you seal it with the T-seal, it takes that away and makes it softer and blends into the garment more. You can still feel it, but I wouldn't say it's plastic. As far as the printing goes, since the film is transparent, you'll need to find the side that's coated and place it face up. To tell which side is coated, scratch it lightly in a corner, and if it comes off, then that's the side you want to print on. Now I'm going to do my first print on this BELLA+CANVAS ECOMAX t-shirt, which is the newest line of t-shirts, and it's super dope because it's actually made from plastic bottles and scrap fabric from previously made shirts. It's the same fit of their super popular 2001 style shirts, and for most of it to be made from plastic bottles, the shirt is still super soft and comfy. So shout out to BELLA+CANVAS for always staying ahead of the game and being super innovative and environmentally friendly. And you can get your BELLA+CANVAS blanks wholesale by creating a maker's account. And of course, I'll have that link for you in the description box of this video as well as everything else you need. Now, to make shirts with this printer, there's a couple of steps we have to take, but to summarize everything, after I print my design, I'll marry it to the adhesive, and that's what you see me pulling off the print. I'll then press it onto my shirt, and after it's completely cooled, I'll peel it and press it again to seal everything with the T-seal sheet. And you can use the T-seal sheet between 350 to 500 times is what the directions say. Okay, I haven't tested that out yet, obviously, but I will definitely keep you guys updated. Okay. Um. Oh, I'm sorry, I skipped a step. After you marry it and you peel it away, you're gonna want to go ahead and cut around that design to just make sure any extra adhesive that may have, stuck anywhere, you want to remove that before you press it onto your garment because you don't want that glue to show up on your item. I don't know if it can be removed once it's pressed on. So it's just better to go ahead and trim around it before you press the design onto your garment for the so let me know if you guys have any more questions. I really tried to tackle everything. I know it's a lot of information, information overload, but feel free to replay this video if needed. But yeah, definitely let me know if you have any questions. Drop them in the comments and I'll definitely try and answer those. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook because I might just post a quick little 30 to 60-second video to answer your question and I would hate for you to miss out. Let me know what type of projects you're interested in seeing. Have you been interested in a white toner printer before? Just, let your girl know. But I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. We're going to have so much fun with this printer, you guys. I have so many awesome things lined up, okay? Everything else will be more in depth. This was really just a rundown video, so, I'll be doing my full walkthrough tutorials in the future. But as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later.